Hi everyone, latest item that we've got made for the SAAB B207 engines, so 4-cylinder GM Ecotecs found on heaps of Opels, Vauxhalls, Chevy cars, you name it. The main chain guide, engine chain guide, huge update. This is a steel billet now, wear strip, all locked into place with fasteners, so you don't have any of this movement found in all the OEM replacement guides and balance chain guide kits. Absolutely horrible. We've also updated the bushing, so when you put this in here, again, tons of movement with the replacement kits. This is our one, finer tolerance, still goes in there fine. Heaps of movement, or enough movement for the guide to move when it's had the tensioner in there. So very happy. Latest product, built like a tank. Wear strips replaceable, not going anywhere. So that should be the last item, well, for a while, to get rid of a lot of headaches found on the timing chain and balance chain systems. Thanks.